Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a note to your Google Sheets document. So you want to basically find wherever you want to add the note, right? So in order to add it, so I'm going to go ahead and use, for example, this field, this cell here where I have this checkbox, right? So in order to add a note, just simply right click on the cell and you want to go ahead and click an insert note. You will see it right below comments. And if you haven't seen how to add comments here, it's very easy. With the comments, you can basically mention someone, you can give them the rights to the cell, you can give them the rights to the document to either be an editor or so forth, right? And this is much better whenever you want to include someone there within the comments. While for the notes could be something just for you or just for anyone who have visibility to the document to get a quick information about whatever that you need to share or remember there, right? So to add a note, just simply click insert note and you can start typing whatever you want. So I'm gonna just, for example, to say need to change, for example, later. And if you realize once you put a at sign within the notes, it does not work, right? So if you put at, you cannot mention someone within the notes. If you want to mention someone in the document, it is much better to do it with the comments, right? And then you will see that right there. But you can write name, for example, whatever name you want to write, you can put whatever is there, right? So this is it. So to add a note, just simply write whatever you need to and just click away and it's going to add. Now you can see the difference between the notes and the comments here. You can see what it looks like. Both of them does not add any word into the cell itself, but if you hover over it, it will show the comments that you had there or the notes that you had there. But that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and add a note to your document. If you want to learn the difference between notes and comments, then I'm going to create a video for you guys so that you'll be able to see it. So you can look out for that on the channel as well, where I compare the notes and the comments in Google Sheets so that you can learn what's the difference between the two and how you can basically use them so that you can know when it's effective to use both. With that said, guys, thank you guys for watching. Give this video a like, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.